So first na isosolve natin guys is the number system, which is expanded notation in decimal integer. So ang example natin is 8, 5, 4, and 6 base to 10. So substitute lang natin sila. 8 times 10 raised to 3 and 5 times 10 raised to 2 plus 4 times 10 raised to 1 plus 6 times 10 is raised to 2 equals 8 times 1000 is equals to 8,000. 5 times 100 equals to 500. And 4 times 10 equals 40. And 6 times 1 equals 6. So if you add them all, you will get 8,546 base to 10. So same lang siya dito. So next guys is decimal to binary. So paano natin i-convert ang decimal into binary? So kailangan divide natin ang ating decimal into 2. And then sa quotient, dapat umabot tayo or maging 0 ang pinaka last number niya. So meaning it is terminated or tapos na. And then dito naman sa remainder, dito natin makukuha ang binary niya. So after nyo ma-solve yan lahat, ito na yung binary niya. So paano natin siya isusulat? So ang pagsulat po ng binary niya is from bottom to top. So 1001, 1011. So ito na po siya. So ito po yung final answer or binary ng 139. So next guys is decimal to binary pa rin siya. Pero since ang given natin is naka-fraction, ang gagawin natin is i-multiply by 2. So dito sa product, kailangan maging 1.0 ang pinakababa para ma-terminated. And then this, sa integral part naman, dito natin makukuha ang kanyang binary. So after you solve that, then naging 1.0 na, babasahin mo naman ito. So paano basahin to? So 0. So kung dito is from bottom to top, dito naman is from top to bottom. So basically ang answer is 0.011. So the final answer is this. So next guys is the binary arithmetic. So sa binary arithmetic, kailangan lang natin tandaan ito. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 0 plus carry over 1. So sa binary, since walang 2, ito ang susundan natin. So paano siya? We have given here 1011 plus 10. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 0. 0 carry over 1. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So bababa na natin siya. So 1, bring down 1, and then answer is 1101. So ganun lang po siya. Next guys is binary subtraction. Sa binary subtraction, kailangan natin tandaan na 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, and 0 minus 1 is 0 with the borrow of 1. So, meron tayong given dito, 101 minus 11. So, 1 minus 1 is 0. So, 0 minus 1 is cannot be. So, magiging 0, and then ito magiging 1. So, 1, 0 minus 1 is 1. So, bakit naging 1 siya? So, ang value ng 1, 0 into decimal is 2. And ang value ng 1 is 1. So, 2 minus 1 is 1. Next guys is binary multiplication. Sa binary multiplication, kailangan nating tandaan na 0 times 0 is 0, 1 times 0 is 0, 0 times 1 is 0, and 1 times 1 is 1. So, meron tayong given dito, 1 times 0 is 0. 0 times 1, 0, 0 times 1, 0, and then 1 times 1, 1 times 1, 1 times 1. So, dito, ipa-plus natin siya. So, 0, 1, 1, 1. So, ito na ang sagot. So, last guys is the binary division. Sa binary division, kailangan lang natin tandaan is 0 divide 1 is 0 and 1 divide 1 is 1. So, meron tayo ditong given which is 1010 divide 10. So, first is hanap ka muna ng number na pwede mong i-divide ang 10 dito sa loob. So, since magkapareho sila and pwedeng i-divide, maglalagay ka dito ng 1. So, 1 times 10 is 10. So, since 0 na ang answer dito, lalagay mo to. So, since hindi pa rin siya pwede, so 1 divide 10 is cannot be. So, maglalagay ka dito ng 0. And 0 times 10 is 0. So, magiging 1. And then, bring down 1. So, 10 or 10 divide 10 is 1. So, 1 times 10 is 10 and 0. So, the conversion or 1010 divide 10 is equals to 101.